case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1993 case heard by the Kansas Court of Appeals, Citizens Bank and Trust v. Brothers Construction and Manufacturing, Inc., the court reaffirmed that a tenant's leasehold interest in a property is not affected by a bank's foreclosure action unless the tenant is made a party to the action, according to the Wheat v. Brown case. The dispute began when the bank, which owned a property with mortgages on it, foreclosed without including Brothers Construction and Manufacturing, Inc., who had a leasehold interest and rented the property. Despite Kansas law requiring all parties with a claim to the property to be joined in a foreclosure action, the bank failed to include Brothers in the process. After the foreclosure, the bank demanded Brothers vacate the premises, claiming the foreclosure had affected their leasehold interest in the property. However, Brothers refused to leave. The trial court granted summary judgment in favor of Brothers, ruling that their leasehold interest in the property was not affected by the foreclosure action since they were not included in the process. The bank appealed the decision, but the Kansas Court of Appeals held that Wheat v. Brown controlled and supported the trial court's decision. As a result, Brothers' leasehold interest in the property remained unaffected, and the bank's claim was rejected. This case underlines the importance of Kansas law, which requires commercial lenders to join all parties with a claim in a foreclosure action, ensuring due process and justice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.